Bookanakere Siddalingappa Yediyurappa, often referred to by his initials, BSY, is an Indian politician who served as the Chief Minister of Karnataka for 4 terms. He is also the only politician so far in Karnataka to have served 3 times as leader of the opposition in the Karnataka Legislative Assembly. He is an MLA from Shikaripura constituency in Shimoga district, from where he has been elected 8 times. He is popularly referred as Raja Huli by the media and his followers. In 2008, Yediyurappa became the chief minister after leading BJP to a victory in the Karnataka Assembly elections, a first for the BJP in a South Indian state. In 2011, he resigned after being indicted over a corruption case. He was acquitted in 2016. Owing to alleged ill treatment meted out to Yediyurappa by the BJP High Command, he left BJP and formed his own party, the Karnataka Janata Paksha. In 2014 he merged his party with the BJP and was subsequently elected to the 16th Lok Sabha from the Shimoga constituency, which he quit after being elected to the Karnataka Legislative Assembly in May 2018 state elections. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.